Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to charge your Mitsubishi Outlander PHEV while driving. We will cover two primary methods that help you extend your electric range and improve efficiency. First, we'll explore regenerative braking, a smart system that recovers energy as you slow down. Then, we'll dive into the charge mode, which actively uses the gasoline engine to replenish your battery. By the end, you'll know how to effectively keep your PHEV powered up on the road. Regenerative braking is a clever system that captures energy typically lost during deceleration or braking. When you lift your foot off the accelerator or gently press the brake, the electric motors reverse, converting kinetic energy into electricity. This electricity then flows back into your drive battery. You can adjust the intensity of this braking using the paddle shifters on your steering wheel, ranging from B0 for minimal effect to B5 for maximum energy recovery. The charge mode offers another way to replenish your battery while driving. By pressing the charge button on your center console, you instruct the vehicle's gasoline engine to run specifically to generate electricity for the drive battery. This mode can bring your battery charge up to about 80%. It's particularly useful when you anticipate needing electric power, such as before entering an urban area or tackling a long uphill section. To maximize your on-road charging, integrate regenerative braking into your driving style by anticipating stops and coasting. Use charge mode thoughtfully. For instance, activate it on highways to build charge for subsequent city driving. Keep an eye on your vehicle's energy flow display to see how power is being generated and consumed. Remember, while these methods are convenient, plugging in at home or a charging station remains the most efficient way to fully charge your Outlander PHEV.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.